Enabling family sharing on Kindle allows you to share your ebooks and other content with family members. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Access your Amazon account. Log into your Amazon account using a web browser. Navigate to the Account and List section and select your content and devices to manage your Kindle settings. Step 2. Set up Family Library. In the Your Content and Devices section, find the Preferences tab. Look for the Household and Family Library option and click on Manage Your Household to start setting up your family library. Step 3. Add family members. You can invite another adult and up to 4 children to your family library. Enter the email addresses of the adults you want to add and follow the prompts to send them an invitation. Step 4. Accept invitations. The invited family members will receive an email with instructions to accept the invitation. Once they accept, they will be added to your household, allowing content sharing. Step 5. Share content. After setting up the family library, go back to your content in the Your Content and Devices section. Select the books or content you want to share and choose the option to add them to the family library. Now you can enjoy shared reading experiences with your family on Kindle. Happy reading!